The iPhone 14 and iPhone 14 Plus were introduced at Apple's Far Out presentation on September 7, 2022. These smartphones might easily confuse their predecessors if they didn't have the larger 6.7-inch version. In this video, we will talk about iPhone 14. The video will be amazing, so stick to the end. Before starting the video, smash the like button and subscribe to never miss out on any of our videos. iPhone 14 features. Apple has kept selling devices with feature sets in the same device class. Therefore, the larger iPhone 14 Plus has no unique features except for the larger display and extended battery life. Notably, the iPhones of this generation are not minor versions. The demand for smaller iPhones was insufficient. As a result, the smaller 5.4-inch model was abandoned in favor of the larger 6.7-inch model. Design. Except for a few small color changes, the iPhone 14 resembles the iPhone 13. It replaces almost exactly. Similarities include the notched diagonal rear camera system and aluminum chassis. Similar to the iPhone 13, the displays have a P3 colored gamut, True Tone, and HDR. The OLED provides a contrast ratio of 2 million to 1 and a brightness level of 800 nits when operating normally. Camera. The main camera, now called the main camera after it was renamed from the wide camera, now has a larger 12MP sensor and a wider f/1.5 aperture. This enables faster performance in low light conditions and improved image capture. The selfie camera is improved by adding an f/1.9 aperture and autofocus. The selfie camera can take quicker and better photographs combined with Face ID's depth sensors. Emergency SOS via satellite. Thanks to specialized antennas and equipment created by Apple, the most recent iPhones may connect to satellites kilometers above the Earth's surface without utilizing a large antenna module. For usage in emergency situations, this technology is primarily intended. If someone has a clear view of the sky or is partially hidden by foliage, they can activate emergency SOS to send a distress signal via satellite. Ports and battery life. According to Apple, the 6.1-inch iPhone can now be used for 20 hours on a single charge. The battery life of the iPhone 14 Plus is 26 hours. Rapid charging is a feature on both smartphones, officially rated at 20W. Therefore, connecting the iPhone to a 20W charger can charge it to 50% in around 30 minutes. Processor, wireless, and biometrics. It has a 5-core GPU, which improves processing across the board and in specific applications. Thanks to this upgraded processor, the improved 4K cinematic mode is now available on the iPhone 14. For the iPhone 14 series, there were no changes to the U1, 5G, or Wi-Fi connection. The more modern Bluetooth 5.3 standard was nevertheless added by Apple. This is all for today. I hope you liked the video. Let us know your opinion in the comment section below. Stay safe, and we will be right back soon with another video. For more information, subscribe and watch other videos from our channel.